Are you listening to your data? Sometimes it's a single data point you can't ignore, or a long-term trend. But when your data is siloed and too difficult to analyze without expensive expertise and resources, it might as well be noise. Or worse, silence. That's why there's Mozart Data, helping you answer your most pressing business questions and visualize data to make better business decisions. Mozart Data simplifies data orchestration and provides expert data analyst support, saving you time and money. Practically anyone can get your data infrastructure up and running quickly. How quick? In a few hours, you'll be able to. Extract data from siloed sources. Centralize your data and start manipulating it. Create automated dashboards and reporting, and begin operationalizing your data. Traditional data infrastructure requires multiple vendors and hiring specialized engineers. But with Mozart Data, you'll have an all-in-one solution providing ETL, a data warehouse, and transformation tools, letting you get the same insights as assembling your own data stack while spending 30% less and in a fraction of the time. You can easily integrate all your data sources without any coding, and you'll have access to analyst support along the way. Orchestrate your data for effective, insight-driven decisions, because data works better in harmony. Learn more at mozartdata.com.